Unraveling, hair of the dog, a curious English phrase explained. Hello and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing phrase that might have puzzled you. The hair of the dog. This expression is a great example of English idioms that can seem bewildering to learners at first glance. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand not only what it means but also where it comes from and how to use it in conversation. Let's unravel this mystery together. The phrase, hair of the dog, is a shortened form of the older saying, the hair of the dog that bit you. It refers to the idea that a small amount of what caused your ailment can also help cure it. In modern usage, it specifically means drinking a small amount of alcohol to lessen the effects of a hangover. It's an interesting example of how an idiom can evolve over time to have a very specific application. The origin of hair of the dog dates back to an ancient belief in a form of cure by similarity, often referred to as like cures like. The idea was that if a dog bit you, placing a hair from that dog into the wound would prevent harm or cure the ailment. This belief in sympathetic magic reflects the medical practices of the time, where the cause of the problem was believed to hold the key to its solution. Using hair of the dog in conversation typically relates to discussing hangovers or remedies after a night of drinking. For example, if someone says, "I need a hair of the dog that bit me," they're expressing a desire for a drink to help recover from a hangover. It's a phrase more commonly used in informal settings among friends or in social situations. Now that you're familiar with the hair of the dog, you can appreciate the depth and history behind this quirky English idiom. Remember, idioms like this one add color and character to the language, making it more vibrant and expressive. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you'll join us for more insights into the fascinating world of English language learning. Until next time, happy learning!